Meta's chief executive officer, Mark Zuckerberg, announced changes in the company's outlook on content moderation. He said that in the coming months, Meta's social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram, will gradually work on removing fact-checkers. Zuckerberg says the old system will be replaced by a new feature similar to his competitor Elon Musk's Community Notes on X.
We're going to get rid of fact-checkers and replace them with community notes similar to X, starting in the US. After Trump first got elected in 2016, the legacy media wrote non-stop about how misinformation was a threat to democracy. We tried in good faith to address those concerns without becoming the arbiters of truth. But the fact-checkers have just been too politically biased and have destroyed more trust than they've created, especially in the US.
Zuckerberg says the company will also simplify its content policies and remove many restrictions currently in place on topics like immigration and gender. He added that filters and systems in place which previously limited users' free speech will be repurposed to create a more inclusive environment. He's also pledged to work with the incoming Trump administration to fight for freedom of speech and push back on repression of opinions.